Welcome to everyone. Today, dear friends, we move to the properties of potassium dichromate. In yesterday or in the last video, we already know how to manufacture a potassium dichromate by using chromite ore or either chrome iron. Yes, after the manufacture, we have a very interesting property of dichromate and chromate. How the chromate is converted into dichromate and the dichromate is converted into chromate. Yes, very simple. First we start with the chromate converts into dichromate. This is very important. Is a chromate and a dichromate ions. Yes, this is a chromate CrO4 minus 2. Yes, a dichromate is a Cr2O7. This is and a simple chromate and dichromate component. Yes, first we have a target how the chromate ion is converted into dichromate. It's very simply, friends. Yes, this chromate ion is treated with an acidic medium. It's treated with an acid. Better we know here it is an acidic medium, or either pH is less than 7. pH is less than 7, you can easy to know the component. Yes, friends, you keep yourself, the chromate is converted into dichromate. Dichromate formula Cr2O7 minus 2. Yes, keep yourself here, it is an 4, here it is 7, is an odd and even number, you have to make it 2. Yes, 2 chromium, 2 chromium, 8 oxygen, here 7. The 1 oxygen is balanced with water. And total hydrogens are 2, and then you check here, this is 2 hydrogen. So it means chromate ion is in acidic medium to form dichromate. Similarly, friends, in the second case, the conversion of dichromate to chromate. Dichromate to chromate, or either you can use pronounce is a chromate ion or dichromate ions. So simply dichromate formula Cr2O7 minus 2, which is converted into CrO4. So here it is acidic. Obviously here it is a basic medium Cr2O7 minus 2. Basic stands for OH minus. The conversion of the compound CrO4 minus 2. So carefully you have to balance 2 chromium. Here it is 2 chromium. Chromium is balanced. The hydroxyl, which is balanced with the help of water, because it is basic medium, or either pH is greater than 7. Yes, you have to balance with this hydrogen. Better we have to use here 2. Yes, 7 plus 2 is 9. The 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So it's a very simple conversion of chromate to dichromate ions, or dichromate to the chromate ions in acidic medium and basic medium. It's a very simple JE question. Yes, you keep yourself, the conversion of chromate to dichromate in acidic medium and conversion of dichromate to the chromate is in basic medium. This is a simple chemical behavior of conversion of chromate to the dichromate or dichromate to the chromate ion. So this is a very simple, and next part we continue here the oxidation property of the dichromates. Okay, friends, potassium dichromate Na2Cr2O7 or either sodium dichromate Na2Cr2O7, these two compounds are the powerful oxidizing agent. So how can you express they are the powerful oxidizing agent? Yes, when it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid. When it reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, they are easy to convert it into a potassium sulfate and H2Cr2O7. This is called chromic acid. Here also saying a sulfuric acid to form a sodium sulfate and release H2Cr2O7. We call it as a chromic acid. Chromic acid is a powerful oxidizing agent. What it indicates, potassium dichromate or either a sodium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid or either acidic medium. This shows their acidic property, like example, the formation of a chromic acid. If you want to know how this oxidation will be takes place in sulfuric acid, a very interesting reaction, friends, and to consider K2Cr2O7 potassium dichromate is react with sulfuric acid. It reacts with sulfuric acid to form a compound. Yes, the potassium sulfate, already we know potassium sulfate and chromic acid, and release the corresponding nascent oxygen is also formation along with water. Yes, this is a chromic acid is react with in presence of the component is potassium sulfate, K2SO4, potassium sulfate, chromium sulfate, this is Cr2SO4 thrice, Cr2SO4 thrice, chromium sulfate, and release the water along with nascent oxygen. Yes sir, the 2 potassium, yes, 2 chromium is 2 chromium, sulfate you have to keep yourself, this is a 3, this is a 4, yes, it requires a 4 hydrogen, this is a 4 hydrogen, 4 2 is 8, and now you will think for the oxygen, yes 7, 4 4s are 16, this is a 16, okay, that's 23, now here is a 4 3s are 12, this becomes to be 4, so this becomes to be 8, 10, 20, this becomes 3 nascent oxygen. It shows the potassium dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent because they generate a nascent oxygen. This is a molecular reaction which form a nascent oxygen when potassium dichromate is reacting. If you want to, dear friends, in ionic reaction, you consider this is Cr2O7 minus 2. This is a dichromate ion. Is react with acidic medium. To formation of the compound is chromium is plus 3. Here also this is a plus 3. Because sulfate is minus 2, automatically is a plus 3 oxidation state. The chromium plus 3. Yes, you have to balance it. This is a 2. And hydrogen is balanced with the help of releasing your water. So 2 chromium, this is a 2 chromium. The hydrogen you can use it to balance. Carefully you have to balance the hydrogen component. Yes, how the component will be transferred. It's a very simplest character, friends. Cr2O7 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. You can find out the oxidation state. Chromium is a 2x. Oxygen is minus 14 is equal to minus 2. 2x is equal to, this is a minus 2 already. Yes, this converted into plus automatically is a plus 12. X is becomes chromium is becomes to be plus 6 here. And now here this is a chromium is a plus 3. Yes, the decrease in oxidation state plus 6 to plus 3, it shows this is a gaining of 6 electrons because it is a 2 chromiums. Yes, this is 2 chromium, which carries a 6 electron. You can use a 6 electron. Dichromate ion is treated with an acid along with an accepting of 6 electrons, that becomes to the chromium plus 3 ion. Now you have to balance this oxidized reaction. If you use here 6 electrons, yes, you can carefully balance with your oxygen. Here it is a 7 and now it becomes to be 40. Yes, total reaction you can find out the oxygen is becomes to the 7. Now oxygen is 7, 14 hydrogen, this is 6 electron. This is your major contribution of oxidation reaction. Yes, you can practice as early as possible. Cr2O7 minus 2 in presence of acidic medium to form chromium ion with release of water. Okay, then balance started. Cr2 O7 minus 2. Now you have to balance this is 2 Cr, this is 2 Cr. Chromium is balanced. Oxygen is 7. This is your 7 oxygen. 7 2s are 14. This is a 14. Yes, now you struggling to the electrons. This is oxidation state is becomes to plus 6. Now it becomes to plus 3 with 2 electron. It is on 6 electrons. Now this is oxidized reaction or either it is a molecular reaction. Both shows dichromate is a powerful oxidizing agent. Keep practicing this two important reaction, and in the next video friends we solve some different example to oxidation. Thank you.